Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Statue of Unity facts about this pride of India. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, that is 597 feet. It is located in the state of Gujarat, India, on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam. It was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018 on the 143rd anniversary of Patel's birth. The statue got its so-called name owing to the fact that Iron Man Sardar Patel is credited with uniting all 562 princely states in the pre-independent India to build the Republic of India. The Statue of Unity is the tallest in the world, standing tall at a height of 182 meters. It is almost double the height of the Statue of Liberty in the United States of America and 23 meters taller than China's Spring Temple Buddha statue. Statue of Unity was built in a record time of 33 months and 3,000 workers including 300 engineers were involved in the building process. Approximately 129 tons of iron were obtained from millions of farmers in 169,000 villages. Padma Bhushan recipient sculptor Ram V. Sutar built the Statue of Unity, whereas the intricate bronze work was done by the Jiangxi Tokwin Company JTQ, a Chinese foundry. The viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters has a capacity to accommodate 200 people at a time and also offers an expansive view of the Sardar Sarovar Dam. The Statue of Unity is a three-layered structure and can withstand earthquakes and severe wind velocity. There is a museum which has 2,000 photographs, 4,000 documents and a research center dedicated to the life of Iron Man Sardar Patel. In the upcoming 100 years, the Statue of Unity will change its color to green due to the natural aging process. The statue is divided into 5 zones, of which only 3 are accessible to the public. From its base to the level of Patel's shins is the first zone, which has 3 levels and includes the exhibition area, mezzanine and roof, and also contains a memorial garden and a museum. The second zone reaches up to the Patel's thighs. The third extends up to the viewing gallery at a height of 153 meters. The fourth zone is the maintenance area, while the final zone comprises the head and shoulders of the statue. The Statue of Unity is a marvel in itself that cannot be matched with any other monument around the world. Thank you.